Do you want to disable Copilot in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or Outlook? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. In this video, we will show you how to disable Copilot in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook on a Windows PC. Copilot is now deeply integrated into Windows, including Microsoft 365 apps. While this integration aims to help users perform tasks quickly and easily, not everyone is comfortable with AI features active all the time. If you are one of those users who prefer a simple and distraction-free work environment, or you are concerned that your data may be accessed or processed by AI, you can safely disable Copilot in your Office apps. Let's get started. Method 1. Disable Copilot in Microsoft Word. To disable Copilot in Microsoft Word, follow these steps. Open Microsoft Word, click File in the top left corner. Select Options. Click Copilot in the left pane of the Word Options window. Clear the Enable Copilot checkbox. Click OK, then close and restart Word. Method 2. Disable Copilot in Microsoft Excel. To disable Copilot in Microsoft Excel, follow these steps. Open Microsoft Excel, go to File, then choose Options. Select Copilot from the left panel. Uncheck Enable Copilot. Click OK and restart Excel. Method 3. Disable Copilot in Microsoft PowerPoint. To disable Copilot in Microsoft PowerPoint, follow these steps. Open Microsoft PowerPoint, click File, then Options. Open the Copilot section. Clear the Enable Copilot checkbox. Select OK, then restart PowerPoint. Method 4. Disable Copilot in Microsoft OneNote. If you are using OneNote with Microsoft 365, you may disable Copilot in OneNote following these steps. Open OneNote, go to File, then select Options. Select Copilot from the left pane. Uncheck Enable Copilot. Click OK and restart the app. Copilot will be disabled only in OneNote on that device. Method 5. Disable Copilot in the new Outlook app. Outlook works a little differently from Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. In the new Outlook for Windows, Copilot can be turned off using a toggle. Open Outlook, go to Settings, select Copilot, turn on Copilot toggle. At present, there is no option to turn Copilot on or off in MS Outlook. Unlike other Microsoft 365 apps, disabling Copilot in Outlook applies across all devices when you are signed in with the same account. Method 6. Disable Copilot by changing your Microsoft 365 account privacy settings. If the Enable Copilot checkbox isn't available in your app, it means your app version doesn't support this toggle yet. In that case, you can disable Copilot by changing your Microsoft 365 account privacy settings. Open any Microsoft 365 app, select Account from the left pane, click Manage Settings under Account Privacy. Scroll down to the Connected Experiences section. Under it, uncheck the box for Turn on Experiences that analyze your content. Save your changes by clicking OK. You only need to do this in one Office app. The change will automatically apply to the other Microsoft 365 apps the next time you open them. Method 7. Hide the Copilot button without disabling Copilot. If you don't want to completely disable Copilot capabilities, you can simply hide the Copilot button from the ribbon. This removes the Copilot icon from viewing while keeping the feature available in the background. Open Word, Excel, or Microsoft PowerPoint. Go to File, then Options. Select Customize Ribbon from the left pane. In the Customize Ribbon menu, select Assistance under Home, then click the Remove button. Click OK to save the changes. After this, the Copilot button will no longer appear on the ribbon, but it may still be accessible through other entry points, such as context menus or shortcuts. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.